Welcome back to 28 Days of Hand Lettering. Well, letter C is pretty simple. You can start with a loop like I did, or you don't have to do a loop. That's totally up to you. The main thing to keep in mind is that as you travel down, it's going to be a thicker stroke, and as you come up from that bottom of the C, you want to make sure that you lift up, and that's a thinner stroke. Then make sure that you take a picture of your work and post it using our hashtag #LetteringDoodleDrills. Now, have you told your friends to join us yet? Make sure you share this video. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.